Greetings. Let's continue talking about becoming a good ancestor and what does it take. Last time we spoke about being fully available to our life, being resourceful and supportive of the future when we release the entanglements of the past, and also becoming friends with our inner children. And this also leads into the connection with nature. One thing our ancestors were really good at some point was their intuitive connection with the world around them. Of course, for them that was the question of survival, to produce food, to find shelter, to stay safe when needed. They had to be really good at reading the signs of nature and weather. For us it's a little bit different. But if we think about how children have this genuine curiosity and wonder about the world around them, about every movement, every being that they find on their path, without putting any labels onto it, without trying to categorize that, they just explore it, they just observe it, they learn from it. And this is where we're aiming to be as adults. This is one of the traits of phenomenological approach, where instead of putting a judgment onto something, we just look, we just notice, we just observe what is. And with nature, being plugged into it could be such a good thing for our mental health, for our well-being, for our overall health. That was one of the things that really supported me during the pandemic, during the lockdowns. Just being outside, being with trees, with nature, that creates the feeling of safety, creates the feeling of belonging, of being held, of being not alone. A lot of our connection with ourselves starts with our connection with the world around us. A lot of our trust in the world around us starts with our being present to nature. So this is what we are going to do in the Becoming a Good Ancestor program. We're going to take incremental little steps into our reconnecting with the world around us, whether we live in the urban areas or whether we live close to the water or to the trees. We'll do some small things every week to connect with the beings of the world around us. So let's do a short meditation to connect with the four directions, with the beings of nature, of the world that are always around you, no matter where you are, no matter who you are, whether you are inside or outside. The four directions are always there, surrounding you, supporting you. So begin with gently closing your eyes or taking your gaze down and softening it, and taking several deep breaths all the way down into your belly. And as you're breathing, become aware of the air that you're breathing in, that nature element that is vital for our existence, that is life-giving for our bodies, for our lives. And as you continue to breathe, become aware of your feet on the floor, on the ground, on the earth, another being of nature that is always there for us. Whether you are standing, sitting, or lying down, you are in some way connected to the earth. Even if you are on the 31st floor of a building, the walls of the building, the foundation of the building is still made of earth and is connected to earth. So as you breathe out, imagine breathing out love all the way down into the earth and gratitude for the support of this ancient ancestor. And as you breathe in, imagine breathing in the grounding power of the earth into your body and allow it to flow all the way up to the top of your head and all the way up into the sky. And as it flows all the way up into the sky, become aware of everything above you, of all the nature beings and elements above you, of the sun and the moon and the stars. And as you breathe out gratitude for this life-giving nature beings that give us warmth, that give us tides and the cycles, without whom our planet would not be there in the way it is now. And as you breathe in the energy of the sky, the energy of the mystery into your body. And allow it to spread through the whole of your body. And as you continue to breathe, imagine yourself standing in your favorite place in nature. Maybe from your childhood, maybe from more recent times. The place that fills you up with joy, where you feel completely safe and relaxed. Take several deep breaths as you look around you in this place in nature, as you feel your feet on the ground, as you breathe in the air. And then imagine saying to this place, "Greetings, my name is," and say your name, "and I come with peace, and I wish you well. Thank you for all the joy you brought me. And I bring the offering of my love and my gratitude to you today." And feel how it is to say these words to this place that you love. And now remember where the sun comes up in this place. This is the east, and where the sun sets is the west. Imagine facing the east, and allow your body to receive the gift of the east, the gift of the rising sun, the gift of the new beginning, of the new potential, of the rising energy. And breathe it in into your body. And now slowly turn to face the south. This is turning to your right. And connect with the energy of the sun at its peak, with its high power, the place of action, the place of wholeheartedness, of being fully alive. And as you breathe in, allow yourself to receive this gift from the south. And turn to the west, to the place of the setting sun, to the place of slowing down, of intuition, of going within to listen to your soul's wisdom, And as you breathe in, allow yourself to receive this gift into your body fully. And now turn to face the north, to the place of the sleeping sun, to the place of stillness and rest. And breathe in the gift of the north into your body. And as you become aware of yourself standing in the center of the 4 directions, breathe in all the gifts from all 4 directions into your body. Notice how your body feels now, and slowly bring yourself back to your room, releasing the images, taking a deep breath, fully coming back and opening your eyes when you're ready.